Okay, so I already have a sign out there. It's underwater right now because we're at the highest tide. Been planning this day for a long time. First of all, I have this to warn everybody, don't go in the water. And I have these 3 solar powered lights, 1 at each pillar out there. They come on at nighttime automatically. And what's gonna happen is with the green light here, it's gonna attract fish. So essentially my slough is gonna be pre-chummed when I arrive. This attracts plankton, then it attracts small fish, and it brings in the big fish. So every night when I want to fish, I'll come out here and fish will be jumping out of the water.
I got you stuck off the realness. We be the infamous, you heard of us. Official Queensbridge murderers. The mark comes equipped for warfare. Beware of my crime family who got enough shots to share for all those who wanna profile and pose. Rock you in your face, stab your brain with your nose bone. You all alone in these streets, cousin. Every man for theyself in his land, we be gunning. And keep them shook crews running like they supposed to. They come around, but they never come close to. I can see it inside your face, you're in the wrong place. Cowards like you just get their whole body laced up with bullet holes and such. Speak the wrong words, man, and you will get touched. You could put your whole army against my team, and I guarantee you it'll be your very last time breathing. Your simple words just don't move me. You're minor, we major. You're all up in the game and don't deserve to be a player. Don't make me have to call your name out. Your crew is featherweight. My gunshots will make you levitate. I'm only 19, but my mind is older. When the things get for real, my warm heart turns cold. Another nigga deceased, another story gets told. It ain't nothing really. And yo, done sparked the Philly, so I can get my mind off these yellowback niggas. While they still alive, I don't know. Go figure. Meanwhile, back in Queens, the realness and foundation. If I die, I couldn't choose a better location. When the slugs penetrate, you feel a burning sensation, getting closer to God in a tight situation now. Take these words home and think it through. Or the next rhyme I write might be about you, son. They shook. Cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Incarceration, you don't know me, there's no relation. Queensbridge and we don't play. I don't got time for your petty thinking, mind, son, I'm bigger than those. Claiming that you pack heat, but you're scared to hold. And once the smoke clears, you be left with one and you don't. 13 years in the projects, my mentality is what, kid? You talk a good one, but you don't want it. Sometimes I wonder, do I deserve to live? Or am I gonna burn to hell for all the things I did? No time to dwell on that, cause my brain reacts. Front if you want, kid, lay on your back. I don't fake jazz, kid, you know I bring it to your live.
This is my slough. Well, the slough sign is fixed. I got the police patrol boat here. Let's go patrol it. The victory lap right here. This is my hood, guys. My slough, it's claimed. I got my patrol boat. I'm fucking stoked. Fuck yeah.